Ever wonder why your legs feel heavy, swollen and tired, especially as you get older? It's a super common issue, and today we're going to tackle it head-on with a simple, effective method. But first, let's quickly understand what's happening inside your legs. Your body has two types of blood vessels, arteries and veins. Arteries are like the delivery trucks, bringing fresh, oxygen-rich blood from your heart down to your legs. After your muscles use up that oxygen, the veins are supposed to carry the used blood back up to your heart. But here's the catch. Veins don't have a strong pump like arteries do. They rely on the muscles in your legs to squeeze them and push the blood upward against gravity. This is called the muscle pump. When we walk and move around, our leg muscles contract and relax, keeping that blood flowing nicely. But when we sit for long periods or become less active, those muscle pumps get lazy. Blood starts to pool in our lower legs, causing that uncomfortable swelling, heaviness, and achiness. But the great news is we can easily wake up those muscle pumps. That's exactly what my 3-3-10 method is designed to do. Think of your legs like a dam. When you're inactive, the water or blood builds up, creating pressure. But with the right movements, you can open the floodgates and get things flowing again. In just a few minutes a day, you can boost circulation, reduce swelling, and make your legs feel so much lighter. Ready to get started? This is called the 3-3-10 method because it's 3 simple exercises done in 3 different positions. Let's begin with our first movement. Sit comfortably in a chair and prop your feet up on another chair or stool. Place a few pillows under your calves for support. Now, from this position, imagine you're pressing and releasing a gas pedal. Point your toes down, then pull them back up toward you. This simple move is called an elevated ankle pump, and it works the muscles on the front and back of your lower legs, pushing that stagnant blood right up through your veins. Let's do 10 repetitions together. Point down and pull up. That's 1, 2, 3. Keep a nice steady rhythm. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Perfect. Now take a short 10-second break and then we'll repeat that for 2 more sets. That's the first part of our routine done. For our second exercise, we're going to lie down on a comfortable surface, like your bed or a yoga mat. Put a pillow under your head for comfort. Now rest your feet up on a chair or the couch so your knees are bent and slightly higher than your hips. You'll kind of form a gentle Z shape with your body. This position is fantastic because it lets gravity do half the work, helping the blood flow back toward your heart. From here, we're going to do the exact same ankle pump motion. Toes down, toes up. Let's do 10 reps again. 1, 2. This position not only boosts your circulation, but also takes a lot of pressure off your lower back. It's a great one to do if you ever feel stiffness or even a bit of sciatica. Let's do 3 sets of 10 with a 10-second rest in between each set. All right, on to our third and final exercise, the standing calf raise. Find a wall, a countertop, or a sturdy chair you can hold onto for balance. Stand with the balls of your feet on the edge of a step or a sturdy book, letting your heels hang off the edge a little. Now slowly lift your heels up as high as you can, squeezing your calf muscles. Then slowly lower them back down until you feel a gentle stretch. This move is a powerhouse because it strengthens your calves, which are the strongest muscle pumps in your legs. Let's do 10 repetitions together, slowly up and slowly down, 1, 2, and so on. Remember to do 3 sets of 10, with a quick rest in between. And that's it. Your complete 3-3-10 leg circulation routine. 3 exercises, 3 positions, 10 reps each. It takes just a few minutes a day, but can make a huge difference. Many people tell me they feel lighter, warmer, and less swollen legs within just a few days of doing this consistently. You can do all 3 sets of 1 exercise before moving to the next. Or you can do it as a circuit. 1 set of each, repeated 3 times. Either way is great. The key is just to do it every day to keep that circulation active and prevent that heavy feeling from coming back. To make it even easier for you, I've created a free printable guide with pictures of each exercise and a daily tracker to help you stay on track. You can find the link to download it for free in the description below this video. Now that you know how to fire up your leg muscle pumps, there's one more thing you can do to keep your whole body feeling strong and youthful. I've put together a video on the top 5 anti-aging movements that everyone over 50 should be doing. They're simple, safe, and can help you feel years younger by protecting your joints and improving your flexibility. Click the video on the screen right here to check it out. I'll see you over there. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips to help you feel your best.